Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth effortlessly, while others struggle to make ends meet? This question often sparks a whirlwind of thoughts. Is it luck, inheritance, or is there a secret formula that the affluent have mastered? The concept of wealth extends beyond the confines of a bulging bank account. It encapsulates financial freedom, the ability to live life on your terms, unburdened by monetary constraints. But attaining this freedom isn't a stroke of luck or a windfall. It's about learning to manage money effectively, making it work for you rather than you working for it. And that's where we come in. We're here to unveil the veil from the mysterious world of wealth accumulation. We're here to introduce you to the 7 rules of money. These aren't just rules, they're your roadmap to financial success, your guide to a life of freedom and abundance. But what are these rules? How can they help you achieve financial success? Stick around to find out. Scene script. Rule number 1. Money is a tool. Imagine if you viewed money not as the ultimate prize, but as a handy tool. A tool that can help you shape the life you desire. Just like a hammer or a paintbrush, money can construct or create, but only if wielded with skill. And that's where financial literacy comes in. Think of it this way. You wouldn't attempt to build a house without understanding how to use your tools, right? The same concept applies to your finances. Without financial literacy, you're swinging that hammer blindly, likely causing more harm than good. Planning is another crucial aspect. A well-crafted financial plan is like a blueprint for your financial house. It guides you, helping you make smart decisions about how to use your money, your tool, to achieve your goals. So, let's change our perspective. Let's see money for what it truly is, a tool, not a trophy. Remember, money is not the goal. It's the tool that helps you reach your goals. Rule number 2, don't just save, save to invest. Now this is a rule that carries a lot of weight. It's not just about stashing away your pennies in a piggy bank or a hidden compartment in your closet. It's about the bigger picture. When you save, you're not just setting aside money for a rainy day. You're also preserving your wealth and preparing it for growth. That's where the concept of investing comes in. When you invest your savings, you're essentially putting your money to work. You're giving it a job, a purpose. Think of it this way. Every dollar you save is a potential employee, ready to work tirelessly for you around the clock. And the beauty of it all? It's a job they love. Through the power of compound interest, your money can multiply, creating a snowball effect of wealth accumulation. So remember, don't just save, save to invest. Your money should always be working for you. Rule number 3, diversify your income. In the world of financial independence, it is imperative to not rely solely on a 9-to-5 job. Why? Well, it's simple. If you lose that job, you lose your only source of income. This is where the concept of multiple income streams comes in. It's like having a safety net, providing you with financial security and peace of mind. Consider this. What if you could earn money while you sleep? Sounds dreamy, right? This is where passive income steps in. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require little daily effort or upkeep. It could be from rental income, dividends from investments, royalties from a book you wrote, or even from a side business. Creating multiple income streams and incorporating passive income strategies can truly be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Rule number 4, avoid unnecessary debt. The allure of credit cards and loans can be enticing, yet they often lead to a dangerous spiral of debt that's hard to escape. It's essential to understand that not all debt is bad. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will generate long-term income or increase in value. Think of a mortgage or a student loan. This kind of debt can help you create wealth. On the other hand, bad debt is what you incur when you borrow money to purchase depreciating assets or things that lose value over time. This includes things like cars, vacations, or that shiny new gadget you've been eyeing. Living beyond your means and falling into the trap of bad debt are surefire ways to hinder your financial growth. It's better to save up for what you want rather than borrowing and paying interest. Remember, if you can't afford it, don't buy it. Rule number 5, keep track of your money. It's like keeping a diary of your financial habits, and it's a crucial step towards financial freedom. You see, budgeting and tracking expenses is not about depriving yourself of the things you love. It's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. You wouldn't start a journey without knowing the route, would you? The same applies to your money. By budgeting, you allocate your resources to different areas of your life based on their importance. Then comes tracking. It's like checking the milestones on your journey. It helps you stay on course and alerts you when you're straying. There are numerous tools available today, from simple spreadsheets to sophisticated apps, to make this task easier. Remember, your money is your responsibility. You should know where every penny goes. After all, what gets measured gets managed. Rule number 6. Never stop learning. You see, the world of finance is like a vast ocean, ever-changing and full of hidden depths. To navigate these waters successfully, we must continually educate ourselves, sharpening our understanding of financial concepts and strategies. Consider this. The wealthiest individuals are often the most knowledgeable in their fields, and finance is no exception. They understand that financial literacy is not a one-time achievement, but an ongoing process. So where does one start? Books, online courses, podcasts, seminars, the resources are endless. You can delve into topics such as investing, budgeting, taxes, and even entrepreneurial strategies. It's about exploring and absorbing new information, staying updated with market trends and economic shifts. And remember, knowledge is not just about acquiring information, it's about understanding and applying that information effectively to make informed financial decisions. This is how you turn knowledge into power. So, as we move forward on this journey to financial freedom, let's commit to lifelong learning. After all, knowledge is power. And finally, rule number 7, give back. This principle, often overlooked, is a cornerstone of financial wisdom. You see, achieving wealth isn't just about accumulating riches for oneself. It's also about contributing to the well-being of others and the community. Giving back creates a cycle of prosperity that benefits everyone. When you allocate a piece of your earnings to help others, you're not just extending a helping hand, you're also investing in the economy. This act of generosity can fuel growth, stimulate innovation, and even create job opportunities. But more than the economic advantages, giving back brings personal fulfillment. It provides a sense of purpose, a feeling of satisfaction that cannot be bought by any amount of money. This brings us to the concept of paying it forward. This means that when someone does something good for you, instead of paying them back directly, you pass it on by doing something good for someone else. When you give, you receive more. So, there you have it, the 7 rules of money. Let's take a moment to revisit and reflect upon these rules that can fast-track your journey to wealth. The first rule emphasized that money is a tool. It's not just a means to buy things, but a resource that can be used to create more wealth. It's all about how you use it. The second rule reminded us to save with a purpose. It's not enough to just save money, but it's crucial to invest it wisely. This can help your wealth grow over time, providing you with a safety net and the means to achieve your financial goals. We then discussed the importance of creating multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. By diversifying your income, you can secure your financial future and open up new opportunities for wealth creation. The fourth rule was a stern warning against the dangers of debt. While it can sometimes be necessary, it's vital to manage it carefully to avoid falling into a debt trap. Remember, debt is a wealth killer. Our fifth rule underlined the importance of budgeting and tracking expenses. By keeping a close eye on where your money is going, you can identify unnecessary expenses, save more, and ultimately, invest more. The sixth rule encouraged continual self-education. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's a major asset. By constantly learning, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed financial decisions. Lastly, we touched upon the power of giving back. Sharing your wealth not only contributes to a better world, but also brings a sense of fulfillment and joy that money can't buy. Each of these rules plays a vital role in shaping your financial future. They are not just about getting rich fast, but about building sustainable wealth and financial independence. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Remember, financial freedom is not a dream, it's a decision. Make that decision today.